Okay, so now we have an interface that only has one view. This is the graphics view. There are, if you look at the boxes up here, these are what are called the construction tools. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 construction tools. And this will be our default box. We call this the pointer. If you click on the pointer, notice that you can actually move objects, you can rotate objects around a point, and you can even record numbers on a spreadsheet. If you click on the second box, you can actually construct several things, like you can draw new points, point on an object, you can attach or detach points, you can obtain the intersection between two objects, and even obtain the midpoint between 2 points. So let's experiment with this one just a bit. So let's draw new points first. So we say 1, 2, and 3. Now, let me go back to the pointer because I need to do something different. Suppose I need to relabel this, or suppose I need to change the label A so that it reflects some other name. So I will click on the label twice, and notice that it will give me the location of the point, which is not important at this point. So we can click on the object properties instead and change the name from A to, say, Anna. It's your choice. Notice what happens here. In this case, it used to be labeled A, now it's labeled Anna. So it's your choice. If you want to say if you want to change the label B to some other name, then click object properties and say label it as like what, banana, and close it and see what happens. What else can we do? So if I click on the third box here, this should enable me to draw lines, segments, and rays. So let's experiment with this one. I mean with the third box. So let's draw a line from A to B. So from Anna to banana. And that's my line. If I say want to draw a segment between 2 points, say from A to C, so I'll click on A and C, and I should get my segment AC. Now let's go back to midpoints. Suppose I need to find the midpoint of segment AC. So I remember here I click midpoint of a center, or midpoint or center, and then I'm going to click on A and then C, and then it will show me my midpoint. And then suppose I want to change the label A so that we know that it's the midpoint corresponding to segment AC. So I need to go back to my pointer, double click on A, click on object properties, and change the label A to M so that I know it's my midpoint. Alright, what else? Now let's explore the fourth box. Okay, so with the fourth box, I can draw perpendicular lines, parallel lines, I can draw perpendicular bisectors, angle bisectors, and tangents. Okay, so let's experiment with the perpendicular lines first. Suppose I need to draw a line perpendicular to line AB and passing through point C. So I'll click on point C and then click on line AB, and I have my perpendicular line. And again, I click on my fourth box and say construct a line parallel to a given line. This time, say I want to draw a line that's parallel to AB and passing through point C. So I will click on point C and then click on line AB, and I should have my line parallel to line AB. Alright. I think we're all set with the lines, at least the perpendicular and parallel lines for now. So let's draw polygons. So if I click polygons, so suppose I need to draw a triangle, so I just click anywhere on the graphics window, 1, 2, 3, and then close it because it's a triangle. Then I have my triangle, my polygon, consisting of 3 vertices and 3 sides. If I need to draw, say, a quadrilateral, so I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4th, and then I need to close it, then I have my quadrilateral. Now, just in case you don't want these figures any longer because you feel like there's too much happening in your graphics window or graphics view, you can always delete any of the objects here. So you can click on the last box here, and notice that there's a delete object here. So if you want to remove this whole figure here, so click once, and then it deletes the figure. If you want to say delete this particular point here, so just click here and it will delete itself. And say this delete triangle ABD. So now we only have points A, B, and D. Alright, now what if we want to draw a regular polygon? Let's draw a regular polygon. So let's use points A and B as 2 points on our regular polygon. So I'll click here and click here, and notice that there's this screen here that says how many vertices do you want for your regular polygon. Suppose we say I need to construct a regular polygon consisting of 6 vertices. So I'll change 4 to 6 and then press OK and see what happens. So now I have a regular polygon consisting of 6 points and 6 vertices.